Great big nail right there. Huge piece of steel. There's probably more of it in here. I don't think there's any sense in putting this chain back on. I've hit like 3 pieces of steel. I mean, it'll get me through the limbing, but I don't know. How's this muffler doing? Yeah, it's hanging in there. Yeah, look at that. She went right on the other side of the... There it goes. I don't know if this is even worth it. We'll see. We'll see if I didn't damage the drivers too much. I'll put it on. If not, I think I'll take it off. Hard to say. Yeah. I don't know. Doesn't look good.
Isn't.
All right.
Okay, friends, we haven't been in here in a while. I haven't even lit the fire. I'm kind of
chilly a little bit, but it doesn't matter. Jonesy has struck again. My buddy Jonesy, who does the axe handles, me and him have been working together on some stuff. He's such a good guy. He's like, Bucket, let me know if there's anything that's not, like, I want to get better. So just let me know, you know what I mean? He's just like that, and that's what I like about him. He says, I'm not looking for no leg up or no shout out or no nothing. I've just liked his approach to me, because as you can imagine, friends, I get asked a lot of things by a lot of people. It's what happens. But Jonesy's just always been key. Right on. He's on point. So friend, and speaking of people on point, Brad from Broad River, my buddy Brad, who's been working on the axis for me, with me. Friends, I opened him up on the live feed. He has sent me, this is going to be a personal axe. There's no doubt about it. It can't not be. The stamp didn't come out very good. Brad knows that. But the axe, friends, the axe it's ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. I've pounded it on almost all the way. It's dead square on the handle. I've got I don't even think just a minute. Yeah, there we go. So I'm actually, I can't believe this. Brad, one of my things about with oh, this is starting to hang out now. This is starting to hang out. See, this is very interesting, friends. Look at this. This is different. It's because there's a whole pile of handle and a great big palm swell. Look at this, friends. I'm not kidding. You guys know me on this. Look. See how that's further ahead than I usually have? It is. It's probably an inch further than I usually like them. It is. It's about it is. It's about an inch. It's not all the way down yet, but still, it's because the handle's Jatoba, friends. It's not hickory. These freaking handles. Where's that other one? Is that it right there? Yeah, it is. Check this out. This handle alone. That's crazy. 2 pounds. Over 2 pounds. So the handle weighs 2 pounds. And I've got this great big knob at the bottom. So that weighs. So that's shifting the weight a bit. Oh, it's lovely. This boy's axe is ridiculous, redonkulous, redunculous. Look at that. It's got a little knot in it, but this Jatoba's incredible stuff. Jonesy, this is a nice stick. Look at that, friends. Not real curvy. Little curve at the bottom of the palm swell. Love it. These are a little... See, that one's not bad, Jonesy. This is your key right here. I think this is our one, Jonesy, right here. That second one you sent me. It doesn't have the real sloop. This is a beautiful axe, this one. Anyway, I'm going to turn you guys off, get this kerf in, get this thing down. And friends, I'm astounded. What was that? Oh yeah, that. You know what I'm going to do? Who knows? Here's the thing. People ask me, why do you tuck your hoodies in, Buckin? You tuck your hoodies in. Jay Daniels, are you out there, buddy? Are you, hey? Yeah, Jay. Winter's coming, eh? I get into the axe shack a little more in the old bunker when it's getting... I just took this outside for a little smasheronios. This profile, Jay, here's a little, I don't know if you can see. That's a great big stinking knot right there. You hear that? Look at that. Right through that stinking big knot. Look at that, Jay. Wow. Oh, it's a huge knot. This is that new one that Brad and I are working on, friends. It's an old, hang on. It's cold. Look it. This is like Stoller. Old JB Stoller. And friends, Brad, you've done nice work here. Yeah, I do. I feel cozier with stuff tucked in. It's a little chilly right now. So when you do this, when you go from this, from open shirt, when you go to this, I'm so glad I paid money for this shirt that I'm wearing right now, this Mac jacket. You're all of a sudden, you're ready. You're ready to buck and split, and you're warm. And that's it. It's now game on. There's really not much in my way now. You see what I'm saying? Because I'm warmer. Okay, back in a flash. Okay, friends, so here's the other side. I finished the one side there. Looks like we got some kind of windy action coming on here. But anyways, I finished the one side, and this is just what I do. This is my style. And friends, I got to be honest, this just feels right to me. Like, we'll see what happens here. Like, I mean, it just feels incredible. The only thing I think I need to change a little bit on this side is getting the side angle like this a bit. So that means turning it more like this. So just like this. I have to get down more a little bit. Just like this. Yeah, like this. I think this has got it here now. There we go. Let's see what happens there. Yep, that's it. That's better there. There we go. Okay. You got to have that side plate at least straight up and down. I like 5 degrees back. Oh, sorry, friends. I like 5 degrees back. Okay? So that would mean getting your file flatter. Right? So let's have a look here. See if this is good. Okay, that felt good. Let's see. Oh yeah, good. We're there. Beautiful. Just give this guy a little. There. There we go. I think there was a burr on there, friends. There was a burr on there. That's a little better. Let me put it up against here. See this? See how smooth this is running through here? I really like this this stroke with this hand. Yeah, there we go. I'm going to get you in the light. Look at that. Square ground, friends. Right? See it? Just putting something behind it here. There we go. That is square right there. Hey, let's try something. Watch this. Oh dear. Oh, it worked. Oh yeah. See? Square. that saw, friends, it doesn't get hot. It doesn't. It's crazy. Now, I've got a different muffler on this. This is the other saw. That fire's cooking good now. This is another saw. It's Iron Horse's big bore. It's a big bore, Iron Horse big bore, but it's got that different muffler on it I showed in the video. And I'm just gonna give it a run or two. I might pull out a Mac or something here. Maybe a Mac that I haven't run in a while, because I want to have some fun here. Got fires roasting now. This saw starts much easier and always has. See that nice pull?
Friends, I'm going to pull in here for just a second. That last saw was the Iron Horse 86er, 1986er I call it. Well, I call her the 86er, 86cc 371. This is a full house chain on this particular power saw, which is his big bore. The other chain I was running on the 86er is garbage. It's worn out, it's skipped tooth, but we're just having a little fun. I wanted to get out a video for supper time for you. You guys all have a great night. We'll talk to you guys on the next video. I'm going to kind of just ease out of this video now. I love yous all. Be kind.